Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to speedrun Cookie Clicker. To begin, start a new game and click the large cookie rapidly to earn your first few cookies. Your initial goal is to buy a cursor for 15 cookies, which automates some clicking. Next, focus on saving 100 cookies to acquire your first grandma, significantly boosting your passive income. This early strategy sets a strong foundation for a fast run. Once you have a few grandmas, continue purchasing them in farms to establish a solid cookie per second rate. Keep an eye out for golden cookies. Clicking one unlocks the Lucky Day achievement and provides powerful temporary buffs. Always prioritize buying upgrades that directly multiply your current cookie production, as these offer the best return on investment in the early stages of your speedrun. Hey everyone, if you're finding these cookie clicker tips helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. On another note, after all that intense clicking, you'll need some energy. Make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers, perfect for keeping your snacks fresh. Check the description for the link and other awesome deals. Now, let's get back to the video. As you progress into the mid-game, your focus shifts to unlocking the initial tiers of all cookie-producing buildings efficiently. Actively seek out golden cookies, especially aiming for the powerful frenzy and click frenzy effects to maximize your cookie gains. Before purchasing new building types, ensure you've bought all available upgrades for your existing buildings. These often provide significant boosts for a relatively low cost.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.